Ahamu Francis Mba.
Okay.
So Aumonye Body State.
Kibonye State.
Yes, sir.
Kehine mezeba.
Aumu Alikotaga this house.
Okay, go on and look at this house.
Yes.
This house is massive, man.
Thank
Totally
you.
massive.
Thank you.
Out of ordinary. So can you show us what is in this place?
Okay.
You go sign.
Yeah. Here the gate house.
This is only for the gate.
Just this is the second gate. The first gate is at the other side.
Okay, which one is the main gate? Or two of them?
This is the main gate here.
Okay.
This is how the main entrance.
So they build a duplex for gate.
Yeah.
the gate, duplex for gate.
They are almost concrete.
Concrete.
This gate house is almost full concrete.
This gate you are looking at like this.
Yes.
Are you trying to say that there is no block on it?
No block on this gate house.
Jesus Christ of life! What is this man thinking? Concrete from beginning to the end for gates alone, not house. So
this is concrete for the gate. The two gate house.
Jesus Christ! This is massive. This is massive. This is what cafe dereba.
Andrino.
Andrino. Wow. This is massive. We are still in Abraa. So Kefa na kwanka.
Car park and gym house there.
This is car park
and gym house.
And gym house. Kebe motor this is where Bazeba.
I went entrance front here.
This man. Kebe that river. Kebe busy.
Obviously Europe, Poland.
Poland.
Yes, sir.
On Abatakwa village.
Okay, Narana last month.
Wow. I love this, man. I love this. This is in Abraa. So this is gym house.
This is gym house. These are the car parks.
Down is car park.
These places are these four entrance here are car parks.
Okay. Where he parks his car.
Yes.
That is the purpose of this mansion.
Yeah. And I have rooms upstairs there.
Okay.
I have some rooms, about 5 rooms here.
So, but this is okay. A block of the Kwananka.
Block of the car.
Okay.
Block of the car.
Okay. This is massive, man. This is only for parking of cars and gym house.
Yes. And this is the Obi.
This is Nka Obi. This is Obi. Let's
almost
check.
Full concrete.
So Nka kwa concrete.
Everything here.
Jesus Christ. If you are Reba Diego. I don't know. If you are Reba Diego. This is too massive. So I just imagine how here we look like when he finished building it. Here we look like
before December, everything here will be.
Yeah, because I can see that you had a roll here with force.
And a roll.
Come for rams, cows, so December.
Yeah, we hear it for December.
Here is for December. This is goat, cow, ram, any kinds of things. This is in Kerry December. December.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. How about Easter?
I got after Easter. I have at Easter.
Wow.
So I just relax. Or 1 month.
I got back December. Can I meet you?
But overall, you need the meat here.
Okay.
Only need the meat here.
This is. And though if I had name on Abata village. So in Kadi Ona, Kefana Pokwanka.
Here with the gen house.
You can carry
the generator house here. The other house there. Here with the walkway.
Okay. This is massive, man. Massive compound. And the flower arranged everywhere. American standard. Now, the face of this building is too massive.
This is you.
The face of this one. They go do Nabia. They go do J house, Eba. J house now is wrong way. And I hear that this is the only place you will come in the night. Everywhere is light.
Ever in the night, you got to believe in the canon of Nigeria.
All the
Yeah, another word.
Wow. So car, yeah, old building.
Here with the bungalow, here with the first building, none at the compound, but actually we are now.
Okay, so you
prior to this.
You mean Reha?
I get bulita some places here.
Okay.
So here by mid-year now I got couple kwanka.
You mean Reha?
So bully.
If we are not over there. So car we buzzer.
Here with the main building.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to host the governor about
yeah, governor early January.
Okay, governor inspire the work.
All better for occasion.
Okay.
All better occasion, okay. So Merry go among this year, okay. January 3rd.
Okay. This is beautiful, man. See the beauty of this house. See pillar. If I was sit as called
Here I will just stay down and relax. Entrance about from the building.
This is beautiful, man. Uncle, if I was to buy the corner.
About our first gate, I can get me to see.
So here has the walkway.
Here I will walkway. About little walkway.
They are going to follow this walkway. Are you guys watching house? This is house in Abraa. I know this man will paint it white.
Yeah, it's white color.
I know. Because I don't know what they would like, why they too love white in this town. This is just walkway. This is beautiful, man. It's beautiful. So that means the inside has like a decorated already.
Everything inside, everywhere they go complete inside.
You mean yeah? Everything. The interior they go this everything they go complete.
Interior, yeah, they go everything. How's the outside? Yeah, now okay, me guys. Let me get ties and you made the compound round.
Okay,
all this marble. You lay it and you made the compound.
Or the one you made the compound.
Oh, you can lay it like this.
Wow.
So I work at tilers in the here.
This is beautiful. The amount of money going on and neighbor.
They know the size of the ties.
They go
almost 1.2 by 2.2.
But what we do tire Africa?
But now you have import. Yeah, from Europe.
From Europe direct.
Yes. Everything they use rubber or ties at Morocco.
Yeah.
My fittings, everything.
Okay. Welcome. Have you taken my picture? Have you sent it to the boss? Great boss from you.
So here can I only made the company have the tilers and that car.
Hold on.
Everybody in an ethiopia.
I got you couldn't carry any
marble and it. All the that car park all load inside there.
Jesus Christ. Negodi Ufuko. See. Can I marble?
Marble, yes.
Good marble.
Yeah, I'm going to trailer Gabanelli.
You mean and this is imported too?
Imported everything.
Marble. Jesus Christ.
So I can use all here like this.
So this is the second gate.
This is the second gate.
And Dano. Iwodogu. Nego the pillar. Nego the pillar.
Yeah, a little concrete like this.
Right
now. Yeah.
So this is what we are talking about, having foresight. So if somebody in AG concrete around or now, how do you think that in hundreds of years to come that this will not part of fashion? Not possible. This will not digital till eternity. So you are kids Europe now for 700 years, 500 years, or cast stand, or caddico toward it. Oh, foresight. Yeah, you hear this man now, Reba. Or that rush show. Ego canko. Oh, Garayako, I don't go lie. They go to pillar. How many pillars Nuna? How many pillars?
I have pillar, enough pillar in the house.
Pillar Nuna carrier. Pillar Nuna carrier. They go. As well about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uncountable pillars. Uncountable. Na uncle well. Yeah, no, young December time.
Yeah, we are young on December.
The castle is 30 rooms, and we are going to go to the 3rd floor. And when we go to the 3rd floor, we will see the beauty of Abraa. You will see the whole town, how it looks. Abraa is not only that it's a small London. I call it white community because every building here is white. That makes it more unique, more beautiful. Trust me. So let's start from top down. But we are going to go it round. So let's go to the top. So this is 2nd floor. Yeah, so come and show them. We are going to the top. Yeah. So we should go like this, eh? Down. So let's go. The design of this house is just top notch. I don't know. Do you know, there's one secret thing about this man, this Chief Igwe Kalu Oba. This man didn't travel to any European country. Even he has never even been to Lagos upon all his word, but he was able to get this kind of design. How did he get it? That is the question. This house is too beautiful. When you climb from front, you have to go to the back for you to climb the last floor. So we are going to the last floor. So you can even miss road here. If you don't know, the daughter is directing us. Look at how the daughter was following us. She's directing us to the road we follow to the top. Woo! This is massive, man. I'm scared though. Be careful, bro. Be careful. I don't want to cry. Just be showing them the beauty of Abraa. So we don't have drone, but this is our drone. The beauty of Abraa. This is massive, man. This is beautiful. This is the third floor. Wow. This is massive, man. Let's go to the front. Show them the beauty of Abraa. Woo. And this house still standing strong. Woo. This is massive, man. To be honest with you guys, I'm scared. If I tell you I'm not scared, I'll be lying to you. I'm really, really scared here. So let me just go around then. Let's just go around and we'll go down. Are you afraid? Don't be afraid, man. Just come. Look at how my brother is walking. Don't want nothing will happen to you. So this is what our viewers like. They like to see things and we're showing it to them. They should enjoy. They should enjoy. So the only thing you can do for us, guys, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click and subscribe. It does not take money. It does not take time. Just subscribe and on the notification bell so that anytime we drop video, you'll be the first to receive the notification. This is massive, man. So this is the third floor, and this house was built in 1953 to 1954. That is how many, more than 70 years ago. This is the house, the only first story building in the whole Abraa. First, second, and third. This is the house. In Abraa, the first story building, the second story building, the third story building. This is the house, and this is the third story building individually built in the whole Igbo land. Go and use your Google. So we are going to the back. This is massive, man. Be careful. Wow. Just see the land. See the land. All this thing is the compound though. All this place we are looking at, the other side is the compound of this particular building. This is must. Let's go down. So we are going down now. So the daughter was just telling us that every year they repaint it. Every year they will make sure they repaint this building. Every year. So that is what maintenance is all about. Some houses we go, some of them are already abandoned, some of them are already decaying. But here they keep maintaining it year in, year out by the grandchildren though. So that will show you how Abraa, the ancient kingdom, likes to take care of their buildings. When you look at like they show them like this, you will see the house, the other side was built in 1954. The other one there was built in 1954. Look at this one. When you look at, you see the ancient buildings around. That's to show you that Abraa is a home of billionaires. When you talk about the richest community, we talk of Abraa. That is why we are here to tell their story. From this particular place, we are going to another story that will bust your head. But this man made money. The daughter said that the money the father made, they cannot finish it. Their children cannot finish it. Their great children cannot finish it. That's to show you the extent of wealth the man acquired. And the man, immediately after the war, he stopped dealing in stockfish. After the war, he stopped dealing in stockfish. Why? Even the white people was begging him, come and take stockfish, come and take, we will give you. He said no, that he's weak, he's tired. He don't want to do again. Imagine, had it been he continued, the money will be, I don't even know how to put it. But he said no, he don't want to continue again. And that's it. You want to go? So, and the one thing about him is that even after everything, he made sure that all his wealth, all his money, all his property was brought in Eastern region. That man, I love that man. I love him so much. He brought his wealth home. His properties is in Eastern region. He didn't buy any property. He didn't own any property in Lagos, but in Eastern region, he almost owned a lot of properties, uncountable properties. That is him. We should learn from this great man. So let's follow here and go down. The man is a legend that we need to keep celebrating year in, year out. So let's go to his, where the great man is being laid. So here is where you can come relax. You know, when you look at it, where we normally see this kind of thing is campus, but this man just built it in his compound because he has a big family. So this is where he was buried. And look at how they design it, look at how they maintain it. You can see man Odogu Kob. They maintain it and make it look nice. You know, they made it look, you know, like, I don't even know how to put it. I love these people. How they are just taking care of everything that concerns their father. So, in memory of Igwe Kalu Ogba, 1896 to July 31st, 1976, merchant of Calabar. He stayed in Calabar, he did his business in Calabar, he owned a lot of properties in Calabar, who by dint of hard work, honest and God's grace. This man built his wealth in honesty. Honest was his key for success. He was a giant of Eastern Nigerian commerce from early adulthood until his death. Rest in peace to the king, because this man is more than a king. And not only that, he made his money, he helped a lot of people, a lot of Abraa people. They became rich, they became wealthy, they became somebody through him, especially those that stayed with him in Calabar. If you are with him, if you are in Calabar, even some Calabar people can attest to that. You can come and pick okporoko, stockfish, he will not even collect money, just go and do well. That's the man we are talking about. So this man is a legend, and the story can never fade. Show them the castle, the heaven on earth. The man built heaven on earth. This man built castle, American standard. Where can you see this kind of building? Let's enter the most beautiful house, the most beautiful, latest house in Abraa. You cannot come to Abraa without coming to this house. Let's just enter inside. This is massive, man. I have never entered the house beautiful like this. I'm telling you the fact. I have never, since my mama and my papa born me, enter a house this beautiful. But I think today is the first day. Even to enter the compound, I never. But today is the first day. Just look at the tiles used. This tiles is foreign tiles. This is not an African tiles. No, you can't get it. It's foreign. Just look at. I'm even scared to even touch the building because it's too white. I'm scared. You know, I'm scared. Just look. Come on. Just see the thickness of this door. You see, this is foreign. This is not iron. This is wood. This is wood door. And look at how strong it is. Everywhere white. Man, I don't fall in love to white color, man. My house is gonna be white. Trust me, white and black. White and black. So I'm loving here, man. And one thing Abraa people is doing is that when you are building a house, you are already thinking of how to put solar. When you enter here in the night, here look like Obodo Yibo Obo, because there is solar light every corner, every area. Here is shining like it's blinking. Like I'm saying, I'm scared to touch this place. Seriously, because I might dirty it. It's too beautiful, man. It's too beautiful. This is the most beautiful house in Abraa. Anywhere in Abraa, after his father's own, like as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at his father's own. As I'm talking to you, I'm looking at the father's own, the one that built it, the owner of this particular building. I'm looking at his father's 3-story mansion, the most beautiful house built in 1954. Then, the individual building, not government. I'm looking at it here. His father own stands out, and this man followed the footsteps of his father and also built a house that stands out. This is massive, man. This is massive, bros. So, my brothers and sisters, especially most of our people who is in America, I want you guys to start coming home. Start coming home. This is our pride. This is who we are. Ndi Igbo. Whatever the amount we made abroad in diaspora, we always bring it home. That is our heritage. That is how we started. You might build it, I will not even come home for 5 years. Yes, let it be there. That is our heritage. That is our pride. You can't be in exile, say that there's especially some mentality of some American people who have stayed there for so many years that have been colonized with the American brain. That some houses in America have been there for 700, 500 years and they have not pulled it down. It's there. So why can't you go home and build something and maintain it? That is our pride. If they didn't build, if this Eshat kingdom, this Abraa great-grandfathers didn't build these houses, their children will not follow suit. When you enter Abraa houses, that's why they call it small London. Every house is beautiful, white, beautiful. Because even some people are not living there, but they build it because that is how they were trained. So we should start coming home, start thinking home, bro. That is our heritage, that is our pride. I was once thinking that I will not build a house in the village, but right now, nothing, no place like home. I must build and I must go home. I'm going home to my father's house.
Right now we are in the house of the mansion of the mayor of Ohafia local government, Dreg Resources. He's the owner of that filling station that we have toured, and also the owner of the gas station that we also went and inspected and made some videos.
So this is
this is residence. This is mansion. If you look here, you see Chief Ojo Mansionette, which is an indication that this is his house.
Yes.
Then, if you look around, you see we have Abraa Love Garden.
So this garden, that is the name.
Yes, Abraa Love Garden. Then this is the watchtower.
Watchtower.
The watchtower is security post. Yes. So if we go to the back, we will see a lot of other captions.
Let's go.
Let's go to the back.
So this is Chairman local government of
Ohafia, yes.
And
yes.
This is his mansion.
Yes, sir.
When you look at this mansion, just look at how many pillars is at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pillars in front. That is to tell you how massive the house.
And the house is powered by solar
lights,
clean energy.
Wow.
And it's also powered by generator. Because here we don't have power from either NEPA or yes, we don't have electricity from NEPA or other source. So what we use here is basically either you have clean energy, this is the parking lot. Then that is the powerhouse. You see the powerhouse?
Yeah, I see powerhouse.
Yes. Then that is Ahudia Orchid. This is Grace Court. This is Daniel's Cafe. So this is the back side of the building. And this is the what do you call it?
This one is not the
rest house.
So this is the rest.
Yes, the rest house.
The house looks so simple and cute. I don't love how it looks.
This house was built virtually 15 to 20 years ago.
Yeah, when you look at it,
so if it is to be built now, it will have a more modern outlook and structure. So this is the penthouse. This is the, you can call this the mini bar.
Yeah, this is a mini bar.
So this is where most times we come here to have meetings. Particularly those that are working with us at the council.
Okay, I think the day we arrived in Abraa, we saw the chairman going out. Had it been we have met you that they would have just meet with the chairman local government.
It's not late. It's not late. If you can book an appointment, we'll arrange that you meet with the chairman, so that if there's anything you want to know about the local government, and maybe whatever you want to contribute to make this local government
go forward.
Yes, we will really appreciate it, because our mission is to make sure that this particular local government will excel in all ramifications.
Yeah. So I'm Igbo.
Yes, sir.
So and we contribute to the development of our Igbo.
Yes.
So anywhere necessary.
Yes, sir.
So maybe next time we'll come, we'll let you book appointment with him so that we'll be able to interview him.
It will be highly appreciated.
One-on-one interacting with him.
It will be highly appreciated, sir. Thank you very much.